Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease or COPD has become more acute under the COVID situation with increased comorbidity rates. Therefore, IIT Kharagpur has developed an affordable and high-tech diagnostic device for early detection of the disease, which can be a boon for the COPD patients. The device is based on Internet of Things and artificial intelligence and can be used at home by the patients. Let us see the report to know more about this intelligent innovation.
Shortness of breath, wheezing, difficulty in breathing, persistent cough are some of the symptoms of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, that is COPD. The disease is caused by long-term exposure to irritating gases and particulate matter present in the air, and is very common in a country like India. In fact, it is no less than an epidemic, as it is the second highest killer after heart disease in India. According to a report, in the year 2017 alone, it claimed about 1 million lives in India. A recent survey has confirmed that the severity and mortality rates were over 63% for COPD patients to be affected by the COVID-19. COPD is a progressive disease which becomes severe with time if not addressed at the earlier stage. So, it is very important that the patient's clinical symptoms can be ascertained at the right time.
The standard gold standard of this diagnostic system is spirometer, and as per a report, it says only 10% of Indian pulmonologists actually use spirometer. And the problem here is not only the cost of the test, but also the difficulty in understanding the data.
Researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, have developed a diagnostic system based on Internet of Things and artificial intelligence to detect COPD. With the help of this device, one can continuously monitor breathing pattern and rate, heart rate, and oxygen saturation and arrive at the results.
All the things that normally can be done with spirometry, everything we have established that everything we can do with our mask, and the data can be transferred to our cloud server. We have implemented AI and machine learning process. So all this complexity of data analysis have been implemented there. So we have solved the problem of complexity of using spirometry into our server, and such that eventually doctor will get immediately report. It will be automatically generated and it will be available in the app as well as in the server.
Named as SenFlex.T, the system has three main components: a smart mask, an Android monitoring, and a cloud computing server. The smart mask is synced with an Android monitoring app via Bluetooth. The app is connected to the cloud computing server. Patient's respiratory rate, heart rate, breathing pattern, and oxygen content in the blood is monitored by the app and sent to the server, where artificial intelligence predicts the severity of the disease through machine learning. The report arrives on the mobile app after the data is processed, and it can be used for doctors' consultation. In this way, accurate readings and interpretation of vital parameters can save a patient's life.
Not only for detection, but also it can be used for maintenance of the disease. We have doctor can assign some breathing exercise, and the patient can do it at home, and everything will be recorded, and doctor can follow it up from the clinic itself, because it will be there in the server, and they can actually the progress can be monitored very efficiently. So that is another aspect of this mask. So we believe that it is a kind of a very affordable solution and a very user-friendly solution of the existing technology that doctors are normally using today.
According to the researchers, the system can be used easily at home to manage and monitor the patients and can save on unnecessary hospital visits. With increased burden on the healthcare system, such high-tech devices can be a boon not only for the patients but also for the doctors. Tools powered with artificial intelligence and machine learning can record and interpret complex medical data, which can be quite time-consuming and burdensome for the humans. Therefore, such devices are a welcome intervention in this field.